Good morning, class 6 students. We were studying lesson what, where, how, and when. And in the previous video, we were studying about this question: how do we study past? And in the previous video, I have told you about the manuscripts. How does manuscripts help us to study past? In this video, we will discuss about the inscriptions. So inscriptions are these are the certain writings on inscriptions are the writing on relatively objects like on relatively hard surfaces. These are the writings on relatively hard surfaces such as stones or metals. So these inscriptions were written on stones, rocks or metals, big boulders. So if you see now whatever the government wants to give any order to the people, government want to make any law, that law, if any new law is made, then you come to know about those laws from the TV, from the radio, newspaper. But earlier, when the kings were ruling over India and when there were no television and radio, how do the kings used to tell about their orders, about their laws to the people? Because in those days there were no means of communication. So how do the people, if we talk about the time of Ashoka, Mauryan Empire, how do Ashoka tell about his new rules and regulations to the people? So he used to inscribe those rules and regulations on big rocks and pillars, and those people who were literate, जो लोग पढ़े लिखे होते थे, they used to read them and they come to know about those laws. And those people who are illiterate, those who do not know how to study, जो लोग अनपढ़ होते थे, how do they learn? There were some officers. He has appointed officers, and those officers used to read those inscriptions for the people who doesn't know how to read and write, the illiterate people. They read those laws and regulations and tell those people. Understand? So this is how they used to tell about their new laws. अगर किसी राजा ने कोई कानून बनाया है, then that the people used to read about the new laws from the inscriptions that were written on. Inscriptions means these laws were written on the big boulders, and people used to read those laws from those rocks and come to know about that. So there were same rocks, pillar edicts. So what do these inscriptions tell us? These inscriptions tell us about the kings like Ashoka, about Samudragupta, and their orders and their life, and about their victories also. It tells us about their lifetime also. That Ashoka once fought battles like Kalinga battle was fought in 261 BC. So in that battle he had killed thousands of people. So these pillar edicts, rocks, tell us about the victories of the king also. Okay? In the same manner, there are pillars also. Pillars means like pillars are there. Okay? Pillars पे भी लिखा रहता था, and some pillars tell us about the victories of the king. Like there is a pillar known as Allahabad Prasasti, Allahabad pillar. Okay? On that pillar, Samudragupta, one of the king, Gupta, there was a dynasty, Gupta dynasty, एक वंश होता था, एक राज था, Gupta dynasty, and the famous king was Samudragupta, and it tells us about the victories of that king. Understand? So these prashasti का मतलब होता है poem sung in the praise of somebody. So that pillar inscription tell us about Samudragupta. Understand? So archaeologists. Now who are archaeologists? Archaeologists are those people who study these objects. है ना. Objects of past like remains of building. जो there are many historians, those who study the past. ठीक है. They used to study the objects like remains of the buildings, stones, bricks also. कि how old these bricks are, how old these stones are. They come to know about these by many there many scientific methods are there to study these, like radioactive substances are there like uranium, thorium. With the help of these substances they come to know about the age of, for example, if I want to know about the age of some brick, है ना, if I want to know about the age of something, then there is a scientific technique called radioactivity. With the help of that they used to come to know about the age of a certain thing. Okay, so they used to study the objects of past like remains of buildings, stones, bricks, paintings, sculptures, utensils, scripts. Okay, so these things, the people study these, those people who study these things are called archaeologists. Okay, so rocks, pillar edicts, they tell us about the or the manuscripts, they tell us about the kings, queens, है ना. But what about those people who do not whose life are not mentioned here, like there are carpenters are there, like we can say teachers were there, like ordinary people, artisans were there, है ना, blacksmiths were there, ordinary people. How do we come to know about their life? So their life is we come to know from the method from the other objects, like the utensils they use, the houses they lived in. From these things we come to know about their life. So methods of study, about from the toys we come to know about the toys which the children play. From there we come to know about the ordinary people. So methods of study, how do they study these inscription? Historians used to study these inscriptions. First they excavate the earth. Excavate the earth means वो खुदाई करते हैं अर्थ की. ठीक है, from find weapons, tools, ornaments, coins, वहाँ से निकालते हैं जमीन के नीचे से. When they keep on excavating layer by layer, so different objects are found and then they study those objects. Understand? So if we see that a past of a person could be could be different. For example, the past of the kings and queens were different, and the past of these ordinary people like artisans, like peasants, their past could be different. So and we come to know about their past from different objects. Okay, like I have told you, from the past of the kings could be we could come to know from these pillars and rock edicts. But from about the ordinary people we come to know about the common things, like like utensils were there, weapons were there, whatever the toys are there. From these objects we come to know about the ordinary people. I hope you have understood inscriptions, and we will continue with this chapter in the next videos.